To this one to replace the ionisation pins that are missing that was picked up on a service. First thing we do is undo the screw at the bottom. There's normally one or two. Whip the case off, isolate the power, undo the 4 screws to get into the combustion case. Whip the case out of the way. I use grips to pull the fan connection off so I don't pull any cables out. Undo the gas nut, connects to the fan. 8mm spanner or socket set to undo the 6 connections on top of the burner. So once all the nuts are out of the way, literally carefully lift the burner up, slide it out, watch the ceramic burner, give it a good check after, make sure it's all okay. So here's the pins that come with it. It comes with some paperwork as well, just explaining how they slide in. As you can see inside here, it's a little bit dirty, to be fair. So I get a little paintbrush, pull the old pin out, tuck that in the side. There's one of the new pins, just literally slides in like that. And then repeat it with the other side. That's it. So that's all done. So I just use a little paintbrush to clean the electrodes off. Give the flame rectification a little bit of love as well. Make sure that's all clean. A little bit on top of the heat exchanger. And then a big 2-litre bottle of water to just flush it all through. Then clean the condense strap afterwards. Really want to show this boiler some love. Undo the 3 screws that hold the sump cover on. You can see inside here it's an absolute mess. So I just used a flathead screwdriver and just tried to get out as much as I could. You don't want all that going down in the condense trap. It's just going to give you problems. That cleared out, sump cover back on, another 2 litres of water to flush all that through. Now it's clean as a whistle. I always check the ceramic burner over and the red gasket as well, just to check that's all intact. All seems to be good. And then reverse everything we did. Do your combustion checks, 26 nines. Happy days.